Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Actually in today's video, we'll be taking a look at this minimalistic but yet professional kit for making overhead videos. Actually a lot of people clamor about making overhead videos for their YouTube content, and the reason is not far-fetched because overhead video gives your content a professional look and it gives your audience and your viewers a better way of viewing your content, because when you make overhead videos, it shows your content from above, especially when you're making product reviews, or let's say you're showing your audience a kind of a cooking section and you have, let's say, a set of recipe and you want them to see exactly each of these recipes that you want to introduce into the cooking or whatever you are doing. So it's one way of giving your audience one of the best way of viewing your content. And it's one thing most people compete in YouTube content today. So I will unbox this kit, check everything right inside the box, and we're going to assemble it, mount it, and see exactly how it fits into creating our overhead content. So that being said, let's jump right straight into the video. But before we do that, if you're new to the channel and you like tech and you appreciate tech, do well to show some love and support the channel, and I will appreciate that. So that being said, let's dive into this video. Yes, actually I ordered this from my local store here in Nigeria, Jumia to precisely, and this came in for around 4,000 naira. That's about $8. Yes, $8. Super cheap, right? Yes. Actually it's written right on it, professional stand, multi-purpose. And believe me, a lot of people use this for different purposes, and that's why I want to show you one of the purposes, which is shooting overhead video, and you can do it the best way you can. Actually, a lot of people think, okay, to shoot an overhead video, you need to buy expensive rig or spend so much, but that's not the case. So this is one of the purposes of this clamp or this stand. So let's go right and open the box to see what we have inside the box. Okay. So first things first, so this is actually the holder. This will be the camera holder, and I'm still going to talk a lot about this. So that being said, this aside, so this is the main arm. So that aside, and let's see. Okay, this the clamp. Yeah, this is the clamp. So this is the clamp used to clamp the holder to the desk. And that's about that right from the box. Okay, so let's also go ahead and bring these things out. Yes, so this is the clamp itself. As you can see, it's extendable. Okay, wow, that's really good. Okay, let's go ahead and turn off. Okay, so also this for clamping it, and this to hold your camera, but in this case we'll be using a smartphone. Okay, so this is everything you get out of the box. So I will go ahead now and quickly assemble it, mount it right on the side of my desk somewhere here. So then I will mount my smartphone on it and show you exactly how it looks when you use it to shoot your overhead video. So that being said, let's quickly mount it. First thing first, I think you expand it, but then let me quickly say something about this. This is made out of aluminium, just an aluminium frame, and it's super light. Yeah, super light. Yeah, this is super light though. And these are springs for expanding it and putting in any form you wish. Okay, so this on this other side, you get something that goes in here. Yes, and that's just it. Okay, and these are some kind of a clamp to tighten and loosening this edge, and this goes in different direction, almost 180 and sometimes 360 as the case may be. Okay, so that's that about that. So here on this side you have this little knob to kind of fasten this edge to it. After fixing like this, you fasten it to it just like this, as you can see. exactly like this. So this is to clamp it to one side of the table, which I will do in a minute. Okay, so that being said, everything is set now. So this is the last one, which is this one, and you just fit this into this place, and what happens is you just kind of squeeze it in. Okay, just a second, let me squeeze this right into it. So just kind of squeeze it into it, yes, just like that. Then you fasten this back so it can fit properly. So as you can see, it goes 360 different angles. For the sake of this video, I'll be using my smartphone as my camera, and I'll tell you the reason why. Actually, if your camera can shoot at 1080p, you don't really need more than that, because 1080p is enough, way enough for your content. So we'll be using our smartphone as our camera to shoot our video, and even some smartphone can even shoot at 4K. So why not use a smartphone? So I'm going to show you exactly how we'll do that now. So that being said, let's quickly mount it right on the side of our table. Okay guys, everything has been set up. This is exactly what you see when you set up this thing, when you assemble all these things. So this is exactly how it looks, and you can tell this can shoot your overhead shot perfectly. This is where you connect your camera, but in this case I'll be using a smartphone, because a smartphone can even do way beyond what you can imagine when it comes to recording, because once the smartphone can record at 1080p or even 4K, and even if it records at 720p, it's still good enough for your YouTube video. So that's why we'll be using a smartphone. So don't underestimate your smartphone in any way. So this is where you connect the smartphone. So this is the main frame, then this is the lower part of it where I connected it to my DeX. So I'll go ahead now and connect my smartphone on it, and I'll show you exactly what it looks like. So let me quickly do that. Okay guys, so right now I've connected my smartphone to it, just as you can see. So here is my smartphone. So I've connected my smartphone right onto it, and as you can also see, this smartphone can move in any direction, almost in any direction. So any way you want to view your content, or any way you want to make your overhead shot, it can be done. This rotates 360 degrees, and this arm can also move any angle as well. You can also move the arm any angle, just like this, in any direction. It moves almost 360 as well. So this is super easy for making your content. So guys, one flaw to this setup, to this kit, is the fact that it might not be able to handle a DSLR or a camcorder, and the reason is simple, because the DSLR and the camcorder will be too heavy for this to hold. But this is just a minimalistic tool or kit, so it's just a simple kit. But why use a DSLR when your smartphone can even shoot better, sometimes in some cases way better than a DSLR? So you don't really need a DSLR. So you can only use your DSLR or your camcorder to shoot your aero video, like the one shooting what I'm saying now, like the one recording what I'm saying now. So once you use your DSLR for that one, then you can use your smartphone for this one. And for your audio, well, you can connect your audio right on the one you're talking with on your aero. So this is exactly what the setup looks like. This is my smartphone, and this is the arm itself. So actually, like I said, this setup, this kit can be used for different purposes, but for the sake of this video and for the sake of how cheap it is to make an overhead video with this, that's why I'm making this video. So honestly, this is super great when you view this thing, because I have something here, right here, that when you view it underneath, it gives you a perfect picture of whatever you want to do. So you don't really need to spend much on buying a rig or whatever to shoot overhead video. So what you do is, okay, you can click on the video right on the screen to see exactly how I use this amp to make overhead video for my next review on this channel. So that being said, thank you for staying to the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.